Welcome to Nursery Gardens, 3-bedroom dormer bungalow with integral garage, entrance into the property by this front door, into a large spacious hallway, access to all downstairs rooms from here. On the right is the master bedroom, which has space for a king-size bed, storage, wardrobe storage and drawers. Also in here we have the ensuite, which has hand basin and toilet, large radiator and shower. Back into the hall, and next door on the right has access to a downstairs cloakroom, again with toilet and hand basin. Across the hallway we go into the utility room, access to the garage from the utility room, space for fridge, freezer, washing machine, plenty of storage space, and has the boiler in here as well. From here we go into the kitchen, which has breakfast bar with seating underneath, plenty of cupboard storage, large worktop area in here, wrap round with hob and microwave and oven. And underneath worktop also space for a dishwasher. From here through into the conservatory. This is a seating area at the moment, and nice view out onto the garden from this point. You can access the garden through the doors here. Low maintenance garden, plenty of shrubs and flowers around. Small garden shed and plenty of seating areas out here to be comfortable. Go back through into the conservatory, and to the left is the second half of the conservatory, which houses a dining area, again with a good look out onto the garden, and with access from here into the lounge by bifold doors. In the lounge we have a modern marble fireplace with a gas fire and plenty of seating area, and again a good view of the garden from here. Proceed back into the hallway and then up the stairs. Takes us to another bedroom. At the moment this is used as an office space, but has plenty of room for storage. See, it's got wardrobes, plenty of storage space, and also sofa bed in here that we can use, but it could be a good double-sized bedroom. Across the landing and through to a second bedroom, which is laid out as a bedroom, wardrobe and drawer space, double bed in here, and Velux windows. From here, access off the landing into the family bathroom. Plenty of storage in here as well. Glass feature wall, providing a whirlpool bath and the toilet. Also access into the loft from here, saves any worry about ladders and such.